Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and on this episode I'll be preparing German goulash. Let's get to it. I'll be adding half a sliced onion, some sugar, salt, and pepper. Basically, we're going to be caramelizing these onions, so it'll take about 15-20 minutes or so. Okay, the onions are looking really good. We're going to add the garlic. I'll turn the heat up a little bit. And I got a little spice and herb mixture which contains ground caraway seeds, Hungarian paprika, some spicy paprika, some marjoram, and some ground thyme. I'm going to add that right to the pan. I'm going to add a bay leaf and some tomato paste. Not much. About that. And we're going to deglaze the pan with some beef broth and some balsamic vinegar. And we're going to deglaze the pan again, get all the good bits off the bottom. I'm going to add the beef. I'm using beef chuck. I'm going to add some more salt. And pepper. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and once it comes up to a boil, then I'm going to take it down to down to low, and bring a simmer for an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half. Let's check in on the German goulash. Nice and thickened up. Ooh, smells wonderful. On to the next step. And the final presentation, German goulash over egg noodles. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.